color codes of them.
Vector displacement course. This is the first time I make a paid course, and the main reason was to dedicate more time to it, because the tutorials are free, but I have to make them in my free time, and I always try to keep them short because, well, I cannot spend all my time on them, and that's why I appreciate the opportunity, and I hope you find it useful. I think it's quite interesting. I try to explain everything rather than tell you what you have to do. That's my main goal here, and I hope you enjoy it. So the content of this course will be the preparation. We will see how we prepare the file and the workspace to work with vector displacement. We will see what is vector displacement and how does it work. We will see different ways to displace your object. We will see how to add shading to our vector displacement, how to animate. We will also dedicate time to learn the correct workflow, or at least my workflow. We will also go through two practical follow-along exercises. One will be how we go from a plane to a glass of wine, and on the other one we will recreate the cracking egg that I shared on the video.